last week of boot camp. We are here again for this week's event. And today we have Mr. Arpit Yadav, who would be taking us for a session on AI for everyone. We'll just have an introduction about Arpit Yadav, sir, and we can start the session for today. Coming with Arpit Yadav, sir, he's a senior manager AI research at Analytics India magazine, AI consultant at Genpact, Deloitte, Flipkart, and other organizations. Former chief technology officer at AIBP, AI consultant in healthcare at Datameg Institute of Medical Sciences, and been a guest lecturer for many events, especially mentioning he has been a guest faculty in data science and machine learning at BITS Pilani. He is pursuing his PhD in machine learning currently, and he has been having many awards in regard to AI in concern. Recognized for his innovation, training, and design by the International Association of Educators and Corporate Trainers. So today he will take us through AI for everyone. As of now, I've just mute all the participants as well as the chat. By end of the session, we'll again unmute as well as enable the chat so that you can able to clear all your questions and whatever the doubts you have in fact. Arpit sir, yeah.
I request you please enable the chat. Mute the mic, but enable the chat because I will be continuously interacting with the participant via chat. So allow chat to open because it is very important.
Okay. Now the chat is open.
Okay,
so,
thank you.
Yeah, we can start off the session, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay, Gopi, before starting, please confirm that my voice is clearly audible and my screen is clearly visible. Full screen is visible.
Yes, sir. You're audible as well as your screen is visible.
Thank you very much. I'm starting my session. A very good evening to one and all. I welcome all of you on our today's wonderful session on the topic called as AI for everyone, real-time application and its opportunities in the industry. Today, I'm going to let you know that either you are from any background, technical, non-technical background, AI is the field for you people to make a wonderful career in that. How? I will let you know throughout my session. But before starting the session, I would like to know one very important thing to all of you. What is that? Always remember one thing, either you are the student from the different background, engineering, commerce, arts, law, and other, or either you are the working professional from the technical and non-technical background. Whenever we people are deciding to upgrade ourselves in the life and deciding to learn any new technology or concept, please don't directly jump to learn that. Why so? Before learning anything, you should ask 3 questions to yourself and you should know the answer of that. What are those 3 questions? The very first question you should ask yourself is that, what is this concept and technology about and why it is so much needed in the market? Why there is a need in the market? We should know the answer of this. Second important question is, why all multinational company, government organization, small scale company are using that respective technology? And what are the different application of that respective technology we all people intentionally, unintentionally using in our everyday's life? And what are the different application our society are using for that? We should know the answer of that. Now, third important question is, what is the skills required in order to learn that respective technology or the concept? And after upgrading those skill set, what is an opportunity for an individual like us, either student or working professional, in terms of job, either government or private, in terms of startup, that means you can open your own company, or either in terms of higher study, you can go for master's or PhD. I will be guiding the answer of all these 3 questions in the very easy way, in the spectrum of artificial intelligence, in the very easy way, so that if 7th standard student attending this workshop today, he or she will be able to understand that. So let's start the session. My name is Dr. Arpit Yadav. Currently, I am working as a senior AI scientist, and also I am working as a chief technological officer consultant at AIML at companies called CCE Bangalore and Success Ladder. before going ahead, you should know something about my background so that you should know that who I am, because I am going to interact with you for the next 1.5 hours. And at the end of my session, I will also let you know that how to create a wonderful videos with the help of AI technology. Okay, I am coming later on that. But about my background, I did my engineering in electronics and telecommunication. I did my master's in nanotechnology, MTech. I did my post-graduation program in artificial intelligence and machine learning from Texas University, USA. And I'm pursuing my PhD in machine learning, which is almost over. Soon I will be PhD in machine learning and artificial intelligence. I'm having the 12 plus years of experience in the area of artificial intelligence and machine learning, along with my main job. Parallelly, I am having the 8+ years of experience into skill development training across the world, where I am guiding the participant how to learn artificial intelligence technology for their day-to-day work operation and to how to make a career in that. I am an international speaker in the area of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. I have filed 4 patents in the area of artificial intelligence and machine learning. I did 70 plus certification in the area of artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is about my education background. Apart from that, about my industry association, I am associated as a mentor with multiple universities across the world, as well as startup companies also. So in that, I am acting as a mentor at IIT Guwahati, IIT Jodhpur, BITS Pilani, BITS Goa, VIT Vellore, Regenesis Business School, South Africa, across means in the overseas, and Liverpool University, UK, Golden Gate University, USA, and so on. I have not highlighted here, but I'm working as a mentor there, and also with the multiple universities across India, that is Pune University, Amravati University, in Hyderabad, so many university, and so on. So this is my association. And also parallelly, I am acting as a consultant with the other companies, multinational companies, that is Deloitte, EXL, and then Tata Groups, and so on. So this is my association other than my main job. After that, whatever the small contribution I have given in the area of data science and machine learning, I have been rewarded with this 4 award. I have received the award as a best in research, that is excellence in research, from the Progress Foundation Award. I received the award as an inspirational scientist award in the 7th International Conference of Engineering, Science and Medicine. I received the award as a best corporate trainer award and the best in innovation design. So this is a short overview about me. You should know that who I am, that I'm going to take your 1.5 hour time. And believe me, I will be giving you so much value addition knowledge here so that you will feel good after attending my session. So let's start the today's wonderful session. And feel free to interact with me parallelly during the chat. Whatever doubt you people are having during my live interaction, please directly write down in the chat. I will try my level best to solve your doubts and we can have a great session. So let's start that. So as I told you, whenever we people are deciding to learn any new technology in the market, so ask 3 questions to yourself. So if suppose we all people are deciding to learn artificial intelligence technology, then what are those 3 questions about? So that 3 questions will be like that. What is data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence, and why it is so much needed in the market? We should know the answer of this. Second important question is, why all multinational companies, small scale organization, government organization are using this respect to technology called data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. And by using this technology, they are developing different application for the common public like us. That application is Google driverless car, Chat GPT, drone, Sophia robot, and so many applications you people are using in the mobile, and we are enjoying a lot. So that are the application the company is making for the common public like us. So we will check that. And the third important question is, okay, in order to make this application, if I want to make that application, then what skill set should I have? So I will be guiding that what are the skill set required in the area of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and AI, so that after upgrading those skill set, you will have wonderful opportunities in the company with the various roles that I'm going to guide you. So let's start that part. So wonderful slide here. This is one of my favorite slide whenever I am giving my session across the world. And by explaining this slide, I am opening your parachute now, your brain parachute. Let's check that how. In this slide, there is one equation. And before explaining that equation, there is a heading in this slide that is called as new normal in technology. I want to ask all the participants, have you people heard new normal word in any context before? Please tell me yes or no. Have you heard the word new normal before? No. Majority people saying no, someone is saying yes. I heard this new normal word in COVID. The heading is like that: COVID is a new normal. I don't know you people heard or not, but I heard a lot in the newspaper, news channel. COVID is a new normal. What is the meaning of new normal, guys? Very easy. How many word new normal is having? Two. Break it. New and normal. The meaning is anything coming new to the world and become normal very easily. It is called as new normal. So COVID came in 2020 and today we are habitual of living with COVID. COVID came newly in 2020. Now the same thing in the world of technology. Artificial intelligence technology from the implementation point of view is the new normal technology. From theoretical point of view, it is the older technology. That means in the 1959, this technology has been invented. But from usage, application point of view, implementation point of view, AI technology is used from last 10 years. So it is a new normal. Why? Because it is everywhere now. That's what the heading of our session is: AI is for everyone. And I am going to prove you in my today's session why it is everywhere. So let's concentrate on this equation. Here in this slide, there is one equation written called as adding artificial intelligence AI to any X, we are getting business as output. Now again, I would like to add question to participant. I want to interact with you a lot. Can you people please tell me, according to you, what might be X here? What might be X here? Tell me. Any idea? AI business. Okay, very good. Other than that, anyone, those who are having any idea, what might be X about here? Tell me. Any idea? This is not a question. This is an interaction. Discussion is going on. Whatever thing going in your mind, you should write down X. Someone is telling demand. Okay, very good. What about others? Command. Okay. Let me open your parachute then. Your area of interest. Very good. Okay. So majority of the students are writing the answer. I appreciate your answer because you are opening up. Actually, you are giving your creative thinking here. Okay. So let me tell you the answer because of the time limitation. X means any industry here, guys. Any industry. There are many industry in the market: agricultural industry, healthcare industry, automobile industry, banking industry, social media industry, transportation industry, oil and gas industry, and so on. All the industry in the market, there are thousands of industry, lakhs of industry. List is endless. Now, whatever the industries are there, every industries are facing thousands of problem in their day-to-day work operation. Every industry. And that industry want a solution related to that problems. Whatever problem they are facing, they want a solution related to that. Now, when they want a solution related to that, and when they are checking the technology for help, so artificial is the number one technology in the market currently, which is giving solution to that problem statement or that problem. For example, healthcare industry, guys, healthcare industry. Healthcare industries is facing thousands of problem in their day-to-day work operation, that is hospitals. One of the major problem hospitals are facing, that identification of deadly diseases like cancer, brain tumor, and so on in advance. Why so? Whenever patient is going for treatment for deadly diseases like cancer, for example, so according to one analysis, it has been found that when the patient is approaching to hospital and after doing the diagnosis of that patient, doctor came to know that patient cancer is at last stage. So according to one analysis, it is found that out of 100% cases, when patient is going for a treatment to check the disease, so 80 to 85% time, cancer is detected at the last stage, in the first attempt only. Patient is going to check whether they are having cancer or not. And in the very first attempt, they are detected cancer, but that too at the last stage. At that point, doctors are helpless and medicines are helpless. We are losing the life of person. These things should not happen. Hence, hospital want a solution on that. And what solution they want? Can AI technology detect cancer at very early stage so that we can save the life of person? So let me give the answer. Yes, it is possible to detect the cancer at early stage. How and where, I will guide you. So this is the case here. Now understand the equation here. What we people are doing, we are taking the data of cancer from the hospital and we are adding AI to that. So our X is problem statement of healthcare. Problem statement is detect cancer at early stage. So we will take the data of cancer. We will add AI on that. Now, what we are doing in the industry, concentrate carefully on my wording. What we are doing, we are adding artificial intelligence technology tools inside that to the data of cancer, and we are making one output, and that output is one application. That application might be mobile app. Okay, we are making the mobile app to detect for blood cancer. So we will make mobile app, AI enabled mobile app, and after downloading that app, you just give the blood sample image to that app. It will tell that you are having blood cancer or not. So that is one application as an output. And by selling those application, we people are doing the business in the market. So the equation is very clear. Adding artificial intelligence to any problem statement of any industry, we are making one application as an output, and that application may be mobile app, that application may be drone, that application may be robot, that application may be chatbot, that application may be Google driverless car, anything what client want. And by selling those application, we are doing business. This is the meaning of this. And one thing here important, either it is Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, whatever these companies are there, whenever these companies are working on AI project, so they are starting their AI project with this slide only, which is that X, where we need to add X AI in that, and what application is the output client is demanding. So this is the engine of every project. So on this part, X means any industry, that is the answer. And you can add AI to any industry, problem statement and application is an output. And by selling those application is the business. So I have just guided you about healthcare. In the healthcare, thousands of problems we are solving with the help of AI. AI for cancer detection, diabetes detection, malaria detection, brain tumor detection, and n number of disease detection. And we are making application, either software, chatbot, robot, anything. And by selling those application to the hospitals, we are doing business. Same thing, we can add the AI to agricultural industry also. Agricultural industries are facing thousands of problems every day, and farmers are having the loss related to that. Majority of the time, we human, with our naked eye, we cannot see the insect in the plant. So farmer is selling that plant and it is an insect inside that, and farmer is losing the money because next time that vendor will not purchase anything. So we are making the AI project to detect whether any insect is present in that plant or not. With the help of AI, we are making the mobile app for that, and so on. So adding artificial intelligence to different problem statement of the agricultural industry, and we are making some application as an output, and by selling those application, we people are doing the business. Guys, I am getting your name reflecting here, those who are making the annotation in the slide. I am using AI technology. What do you think? I am the scientist in this. So if you, I found any name right now after this, those who are doing the annotation in the slide, directly Gopi, ask that participant to leave the session. Okay, if anyone is doing any annotation in the slide, so don't act childish. Okay, so let me go ahead. So adding artificial intelligence technology to every industry problem statement, we are doing the business as an output. Now concentrate carefully. Now the banking industry, adding artificial intelligence to banking industry, we people are doing the business. How? We are making the project for banking industry, that make a chatbot for banking industry. When the customer will interact with the bank, detect whether the person will get a loan or not, fraud detection, and so on. So banking industries are facing thousands of problems. We are solving those problems with the help of AI, and we are giving one application as an output. And by selling those application, business has been done. Now, from my side, I have given you 3 examples. One is agricultural industry, healthcare industry, and banking industry. Can you people, participant, give the 3 industry name from your side? Where do you think that AI can be applicable? And what is the problem statement? Tell me what problem you are identifying in that industry, and how we can solve that. How, that means we will see that how we can solve that. But tell me that what industry and what is the problem statement. I'm waiting. 3 industry I have taken from my side: agricultural, healthcare, and banking. I am expecting 3 from your side now. Very good, Ankita. Ankita has given the answer: automobile industry. Yes, do Google driverless car, Tesla driverless car is the application. Now majority people are saying education. Wonderful. Education is one industry where thousands of problems are there, and we can solve those problems with the help of AI. We will make application on that, and by selling those application, business can be done. Wonderful. I appreciate you. After that, aerospace, very good. What about others? Please tell me. Any other application? Navy, wonderful. After that, industrial automation, very good. So you are giving good answer and perfect answer, because every industry need AI nowadays, defense and so on. So again, in order to save the time, FMCG and wonderful, all answers are perfect, appreciate. Now let's give me the final answer. Actually, after doing lots of analysis and survey, we came to know that AI is added to any industry now, any, that means all industry. And every industry problem we are solving with the help of AI, and output will be one application, either mobile app, Alexa, Google driverless car, Chat GPT, drone, website, and anything. And by selling those applications, we are doing the business. That's the beauty of AI. And I will guide you, go in deeper. Don't worry about that. That much I am creating the need here. What was my question? First question, if you remember, what is AI and why there is a need of AI in the market? And that answer I'm giving to you people. Every industry is in the need of AI because they are facing the problem, and we are a solution provider. And let's check that how we will provide the solution on that part. So these are the industry. And one beauty part of the artificial intelligence is that not only to any industry, AI is added to other technology also. And there are so many other technology, famous technology, IoT. Have you people heard the name of IoT, guys? IoT? Heard about our IoT or not? Although obviously engineering student might heard about IoT. So AI is added to IoT technology also to make one product as an output. For example, let me give one real-time example. Do you know smart traffic signals? Smart traffic signal, when we are going through some one road to another. So we are having smart traffic signal. Imagine one person is standing in the traffic signal and the signal is red and that person is breaking the signal. Okay, that scenario. In India, we are having so many legend, pro legend, those who are very happy in order to break the signals. But nowadays, AI is also super happy to give the challan to those person. Okay, how? Because if the person is breaking the signal in the smart traffic signal, so that AI camera will detect the number plate of that person. That is intelligence. That is with the help of AI. And whatever number plate is detected is transferred to RTO office and the bank with respect to IoT technology. So combination of that, AI plus IoT, smart traffic signal, AI plus IoT, smart wristwatch. You don't know wristwatch of Apple, who is detecting your entire health data every day, how much step you are walking and so on. If any abnormality form, and suppose you are supposed to get heart attack, immediately that watch will send a signal to nearby hospital. That is IoT. Sending the signal is IoT, and detecting whether you have the heart attack or not, that is AI. So adding AI to IoT, we are making wonderful product, that is smart home, smart cities, smart devices, and we are making one application as an output, and business has been done. So every companies are using this technology as a tool to make some application, guys. And you are an engineer in future. If you're working as a data scientist, so you're responsible to make one application, and business has been done. Similarly, AI is added to blockchain technology to make application, as well as AI is added to cyber security also to make some application and output. And hence we are declaring at the end that AI is everywhere. Why so? AI is added to any technology also. AI is added to any industry also. And with the help of AI, whenever I'm discussing AI, so four words coming in the background: data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. And hence it is the need of every industry. And we are making application as an output. And by selling those applications, we are doing business. So that's what there is a need of AI, guys. And the wonderful thing about AI is that, let me tell you why there is a need from education background also. Those who are from the engineering background, either they are from the mechanical, electrical, electronics, CSE, any engineering background, every engineering background problem statement we are taking, and data we are collecting to from that problem statement. Suppose mechanical engineers are there, so mechanical industries are facing thousands of problems. We are collecting data of mechanical industry, so that's what it is written, problem statement of mechanical, data of mechanical. And just we are adding this data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, AI as a tool on that. and we are getting some application as an output and sell that application. Similarly, other engineering, electronics and so on, take the problem statement, take the data of that, add AI ML, make an application. That's it. Same thing for the commerce education. Okay. So I'm coming on that. What is the difference of data analytics, machine learning in a very layman term? Don't worry. Commerce education also. BBA, MBA. Take the problem statement of BBA, MBA, take the data of that, add AI ML and get the output as an application. Hence, nowadays all MBA colleges are offering data analytics degree. There is a need of AI ML person. Future manager should know AI ML. That's what IIMs also teaching AI ML. Same thing, arts and law. Take the problem statements of art, take the data related to that, add AI ML and make the application. You won't believe, in USA there is one AI judge in the court, AI judge, and how that AI judge has been made from the data of law. So the answer is very clear. AI is everywhere. Okay, AI is not related to engineering. AI is a multidisciplinary field. You are from technical background or non-technical background, you can learn AI. And now I'm going to guide that. And in every part, if you follow this diagram very carefully, data is at the center. Data is your asset. That's what we are getting the designation called as data scientist. We are the scientists of data. Take the data of any engineering, commerce, or arts. We are bringing some application as an output. Now let's go in detail in order to understand that what is the exact meaning of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. Who can learn this? What tools we are using inside the company? What kind of project we are solving? What kind of the application we are making? And what kind of job role, which kind of package available? Everything now I am guiding in the layman term. Now concentrate carefully. This is again my favorite question from the participant. Who can learn data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and AI? Every time I'm giving the answer, everyone can learn that. But every time participants are thinking, okay, everyone can learn that, but I'm not getting motivated. Now I bring something very good thing for you people. Something inspirational I have came up, and I will show that thing to you. Please tell me after seeing that slide, instead of you people, I will ask the reverse question to you. Who can learn AI? So in this slide, the heading is who can learn AI? This is the question from your end. Participants are asking me always, but now I'm going to show you something. Are you ready? After showing that, I will ask reverse question to you. Who can learn AI? You have to give me the answer. Are you ready for that? Please tell me. I will show you something very interesting. Please write down yes and no in the chat window because it is really very interesting. Okay. So let's concentrate on that part. Now check this slide. In this slide, guys, on the top left, he is Mr. Siddharth Pillai. He is from Hyderabad. In 2019, one news viral in the Hyderabad, and that news was Mr. Siddharth Pillai, 7th standard student, selected as a data scientist in Hyderabad. In 2019, I was also in Hyderabad, luckily, and I was working as a research scientist there. So this news viral, and I came to know that might be this news is a fake news, because nowadays there is so many fake news, guys. Don't believe on that. Whatever coming in the internet, that majority of are the fake news. So we also thought this is a fake news. But when the company, those who recruited him, came to know that there is a viral news in the Hyderabad, this is a fake news. So that company came forward in media, and that company has given the statement, yes, this is the true news. We have selected Mr. Siddharth Pillai, a 7th standard student in Hyderabad in 2019 as a data scientist. And you can go parallelly up during my session also, search in YouTube, you will get the information. Siddharth Pillai, 7th standard student. Again on the top right, he is Mr. Tanmay Bakshi from Canada. 16-year-old boy, 16-year-old boy. Very famous because in Google, NASA, Microsoft is inviting him as an AI expert to give the session. And currently he is working as an IBM researcher. He got selected as an IBM researcher at the age of 16 years in AI. Tanmay Bakshi is the name of that person. Youngest TEDx speaker. Search him in the Google, you will get the answer. Again on the bottom left, he is Mr. Sarang Sumesh, 8-year-old boy, 8-year-old boy, very famous in the world. Why so? Because he is the youngest in the world who is making AI robot. Okay. And his episode has been telecast in the History News channel. and he is from India. Okay, youngest TEDx speaker, 8-year-old boy. Again, record has been broken. Now my heartbeat is increasing because see, 16 year, again 12 year, 8 year, and now on the bottom right, he is 6.5-year-old boy. Arham Om Talsania from India. Check him in the Google. Very famous in the world. Why so? Because he is the youngest in the world who has cracked Microsoft Python examination. Okay, youngest, and his name is recorded in the Guinness World of Record. Youngest in the world. Now, who will be the next 4 year? Who will be the next directly from the stomach? I don't know, because yes, it is reality. In India, our Hindu mythology, there is Abhimanyu, I guess, who has learned from the stomach. Okay, so just this is the other part. I'm not going there, but I want to show here that school students are learning the AI. Now the question is, give me the answer. Who is from mechanical background? Who is from commerce background? Who is from arts background? Who is from technical and non-technical background in this slide? Tell me. There are so many other examples, but I'm talking on this four. Who is from which background? Is there any background of these children in the schools? Tell me. Who is from mechanical, commerce? I'm not asking about you people. I am asking about in this slide, I am showing you the four example. Siddharth Pillai, school student, Tanmay Bakshi, and then Sarang Sumesh and Arham Om Talsania. Who is from mechanical background, electrical, commerce, arts, and so on. There is no background actually for these small children. There is no background. So if this student, those who are not having any background, can learn AI technology, then who we are? Who we are deciding that, sir, I am from mechanical background, I cannot learn AI. Where it is written, guys? Where it is written, tell me. Sir, I am from the commerce background, whether it is possible for me to learn AI or not. Where it is written. Nowadays, commerce students are becoming data scientists. In fact, in my company, one person is from commerce and working as a data scientist. I can show doctors, nurse learning data science and getting job in the company. Okay. So the answer is very simple. Who can learn data science? Any technical and non-technical person from the any background, and a school going kid can learn AI ML. And I'm going to guide you how they are going to learn that. And what are the meaning of this 4-1 in the very simple way. And one more information for you people. Nowadays, Government of India has already given notification to all the schools to teach artificial intelligence from standard 6 to standard 12. So the upcoming generation will be very versatile. They are knowing this technology from the schools only. If we will not upgrade yourself, they will wash you out. Okay. So upgrade yourself in this part. So one part is clear that who can learn? Anyone can learn. Now the thing is that why to learn? Now here I am going to introduce the meaning of data analytics in a very simple term. Anyone can understand that. So why we should learn data analytics, that is called as data science. And I am going to explain this with the help of one simple example. The example is, do you know DMart, guys? DMart. Do you know DMart? Superstore. Okay, where we are purchasing our grocery. Imagine we all, those who are attending session, we are working in one company as a data science professional. And DMart is approaching us. Okay. And DMart is our client. And now DMart is asking one question to us. One problem DMart is facing, and they are asking the question to us. We are a data science company. And the question is, they are asking us, hey, take my 10-year-old data. 10-year-old data, historical data of Bangalore city, and just give me one information from that. And we are asking what information? So DMart is telling which product sold the most from the last 10 years. That information DMart want to know. Again, I am repeating, DMart is coming. DMart is asking, take the 10-year data of Bangalore and give me one information which product sold the most from last 10 years. So what we people will do, we will take the data of DMart in Excel sheet if they are giving in Excel sheet, and we will apply the tools used in data science. That I'm coming on that. What is that tools? We will apply the tools on that Excel sheet. Okay, with some knowledge on that. And that Excel sheet will give the answer in terms of graph. Okay, graph. And from that graph, we will clearly observe that which product sold the most. And by observing that graph, for example, product number B, there are 100 products, but product number B sold the most because it is highest. So you got the answer of DMart question, that product number B sold the most. Now you are calling the meeting of DMart owner. And in the meeting, you are giving the presentation to DMart owner that product number B sold the most in the presentation. Okay. Now DMart got the answer. Now again, one question to you people. If you are the DMart owner and I am giving you the information that product number B sold the most, what you people will do with that information? Tell me. I have given the information to you that product number B sold the most. What you people will do? Tell me. I'm waiting for your answer. Many people are giving the answer. We will try to increase the stock of that product. We will call that product again more, so that more product will be sold. So in case that if more product will be sold again, more business. So what it indicate that with this example, we got the answer with the help of data science technology that which product sold the most from last 10 years. And from that answer, we are giving the information to DMart, and DMart is increasing the stock of that product again. And again, that product is sold more. Again, business has been done. So data is giving the business to DMart. That's what data science is famous. Data science is the fuel of 21st century. Whatever the problem industries are facing, we are taking the data of that and we are giving some meaningful information from that data. And from that meaningful information, DMart is doing the business, for example, and hence data is giving the business. Because of this reason, company has declared that data is a very attractive career. It is changing the world and it is our future. So whatever I have guided you right now is called as data science. That is called as data analytics. That is, take the data of any industry, past data, apply tools on that past data and get some information out of that, meaningful information out of that. And that information we will be presenting in terms of graph to the client, and client will take some decision on that and growth will be there. So this is the practical definition of data science. You will not find in the internet and book also. This is our definition. Data science is nothing but science of data to make the business. That means take the data, apply science on that and make the business. That is making data work for you. So during the entire process, what we people are doing inside the industry, take the raw data, past data of any company. That is healthcare, agricultural, DMart, automobile, and so on. Apply science on that. What is that science? Tools that I'm going to introduce just after some time. Tools on that. And by that available tools, we are bringing some meaningful information as an output. And by selling those meaningful information, business has been done. So it is very simple that we are collecting the data, applying tools, we are getting either information or research knowledge from that. And by with the help of that, we are doing business. This field is called as data analytics. Is this clear or not? Please tell me. Understood what is the meaning of data analytics in the simple term? Take the past data of any company. Let's take an example, healthcare company, diabetes data, apply tools on that and find some meaningful graph, some analysis on diabetes. If you will come to know by eating more rice, there is a higher chances of getting diabetes. This is also meaningful insight. Give to the stakeholder. Stakeholder will take decision and so on. This is the world of data analytics where no prediction, just bringing the past data information as an output with the help of various tools. That is data analytics. Now, once it is done, guys, you come to know this. Now, one quick question to all of you. From where the data is collected by the company? Can you people tell me? I'm guiding you that data from automobile industry, healthcare industry, agricultural industry, banking industry, and so. This banking industry, automobile, healthcare industry are collecting the data from where? Tell me. From where these industries are collecting the data? Okay, Google trackers. Great. Any other answer? From us, wonderful. Answer you have given. Actually, all the companies are collecting the data from us. We all are a data generator. We, our parents, grandparents, our friend, our society is a data generator. How? Every day, intentionally, unintentionally, We people are writing the messages in WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Gmail, offline also. We are uploading the images in Instagram, LinkedIn, here and there. Okay. We are ordering the food from Zomato and Swiggy, uploading, sorry, we are booking the cab, Ola and Uber, booking the hotel and so on. Whatever activity we people are doing, we people are generating the data. So we are a data generator. Every companies are collecting the data from us. And from our own data only, they are doing the business in the market. How? For example, please tell me, have you observed this activity or not? Please tell me. Do you have Amazon app in your mobile? Amazon app. So do this today if you have not done. Open the Amazon app, go to any one product which you like the most. Okay. Open that product. View that product in the Amazon app. Check the specification and so on, features of that product. But don't purchase the product. Come out of the Amazon app. Come out of the Amazon app. After 2 and 3 hours, open Facebook or Instagram or Gmail. You will find that same product advertisement is highlighted there in the form of advertisement. And they are motivating you to purchase that product. Have you observed this or not? Yes, Ayusha, they are having the data privacy rule. So I'm coming on that. Majority of Android user knows this. It is happening. So that means your own data, they are observing you continuously 24/7. Your own data on the basis of your area of interest, they are recommending you the same product or the similar product in other social media to motivate you to purchase the product. This is the world of data science and AI. You are under observation 24/7. They are continuously observing you. Even the Google knows me. If my internet is on, Google knows me where I am. They are going one step ahead. Forget about by using the mobile. Do one thing. Keep your mobile aside. Don't touch the mobile. Don't touch it. Keep the internet on. And just talk about Coca-Cola for next 10 minutes with your friend. Coca-Cola is the very good company. I like Coca-Cola. I like this. I like that. Coca-Cola is the multinational company. You will observe that they are listening also. After 10 to 15 minutes, open Google. You will find out Coca-Cola ad. They are listening. They are going one step ahead. So companies are collecting your data not by your mobile search, also by your voice also. They are listening to you. Have you observed this before? If you are talking something and you find suddenly in the Gmail as an advertisement, have you observed this? Tell me. This is the world of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. You are under observation 24/7, we all, and the companies are collecting the data from us via various channels, and they are collecting the data without our permission only. Now there are lots of debates happening in the world. What about data privacy and so on? But you people only tell me, you are questioning me right now about data privacy. But let me tell you one thing. When you are downloading your app, any app, okay, so that app is asking, hey, allowed to share your gallery and allowed to share your contact. What you people are doing? Tell me. You're allowing that. And now you only talking about data privacy. So this is the dual role. Either don't allow or either allow. So we have to allow because I want to use that app. So this is the world, guys. We are a data generator. We are giving our data to the company. And because of this reason, we single individual is generating huge volume of data, and company is collecting that data every day from us. And there is a huge collection of data. And because of that reason, our world is called as data driven world. 21st century we are living, and 21st century is declared as a data driven world, and data is declared as a oil, information and asset. It is our god. Companies are ready to give crores of rupees for confidential data and so on. There are so many companies in the China and USA are ready to give you crore rupees if you are giving some data to them and so on. So this is the world of data science. Hence, I told you about education institute in India is broadly divided in 3 categories: commerce, arts, and science. So give me the answer of one question. Tell me, commerce education in India and the commerce industries across the world is having data with them or not? Tell me. They are having data, commerce, education, and commerce industry. If they are having data, so data science is applicable to that, because we will collect the data of commerce industry and we will do the analysis on that and find the meaningful information. So commerce student can learn data science. Tell me, arts education in India and the industry related to arts is having data with them or not? Think logically and give me the answer. Is having data? Arts industry, guys, tell me. Think logically. Yes, it is having. So arts student can learn data science. Similarly, science, engineering, and medical, we are having data related to every engineering branches, mechanical, electrical, civil. Every engineering branches can use the AI ML nowadays. So education sector is done. Every education sector in India are using data science and machine learning and AI, because they are having data and they want to know the meaningful information from their own industry. So every student can learn data science. MBA colleges are introducing data science. Law colleges are introducing data science and AI, and everywhere. And not only this, as I told you, engineering and commerce and arts, other industry also, which I already taught you in my first slide. AI plus X is equal to business. These are all X industries: healthcare, automobile, retail, logistic, social media, transportation, marketing, and so on. Okay. In fact, I will say reverse. There is no industry left in the world those who are not using data analytics and machine learning. Everywhere is the data analytics and machine learning, guys. And I have logically prove you right now. Either you use any industry, either you use any education sector, data is everywhere. If data is everywhere, data science is applicable, because just we need to apply the tools on those data. So what you people need to do, guys, it is very easy now for all of you. Just learn the tools of data science. And what are those tools? Now I am bringing that are the skill set. So if you will learn the tool, you are ready to apply that tool in any industry, and hence you are the eligible candidate recruited by the company. Why so? Because you are knowing the skill set, tools, those who require to solve the business problem. Now, why this data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, AI is so much famous? Because of this 4 reasons. Just right now I told you, there is easily availability of data nowadays. On a single click, we are generating data. Okay, I told you. After generating that data is going to store in some computer, in some cloud. So today we are having powerful cloud computing, that is big computers with two capacity, memory and processor. We are having GPU processor nowadays. We are having powerful algorithm. Now the moment algorithm word came, machine learning, deep learning born. Before that, I was talking only about data science and data analytics. Now in this slide, the moment I am talking about algorithm, machine learning, deep learning born. And today we are having powerful algorithms, guys. And we are having open source software tool also. So because of this 4 reasons, machine learning, deep learning, AI is very famous. And if you really want to become something with the help of AI, so this is your learning path. Now concentrate carefully. Wonderful opportunity for you in front of you right now, because this diagram will make you a career. This is wonderful diagram. If you want to learn AI, so AI cannot be learned directly. Let me tell you very clearly. AI can be learned by following step-by-step process. And this is the step-by-step process to learn the AI. If you want to learn AI, so AI is a 5 ladder building. And I want to go to the 5th floor. So how to go? How to go, guys? Step by step, or directly you will bring helicopter and directly going to the 5th floor, shortcut. And directly will call fire brigade, directly give the ladder to the 5th floor, and I will go directly 5th floor to learn AI, and I will become data scientist. Is this so? Will you become data scientist like this? No, you will go step by step. So this is the step by step process. To learn AI, first of all, you need to learn one of the programming language which can be learned by school student nowadays. So there is no question whether I can learn Python or not. School student learning Python. So first learn Python. There are so many other programming language, MATLAB, R, C, C++, Java, and so on. But Python is very famous. After learning Python, in the second ladder, we are going to learn data analyst, that is data analysis skill set. That is, here we are going to learn data visualization tool called Tableau Power BI, and we are going to learn Excel and SQL. So by using this, we are going to do the data analysis. Output of data analysis is going to machine learning team. Okay, so machine learning is nothing but world of algorithm. Here we are going to learn algorithm. The moment you learn the algorithm, then we are having some drawbacks of machine learning. We are going for deep learning. In the deep learning, we are learning neural network, computer vision, and NLP. And the moment you learn the deep learning, door of AI will open. Okay, so if you want to learn AI, you should know deep learning. If you are learning deep learning, so that means you are knowing machine learning. To learn machine learning, you should know data analytics and so on. And the beauty of this ladder is at every stage, jobs are available in the market. If you learn Python, you might get a job of Python developer. If you learn data analysis using Python or using Tableau, using Power BI, using Excel or using SQL, you will get the job of data analyst. The moment you will learn machine learning, you will get the job of data scientist. So from third ladder, you can become scientist. And again, if you learn deep learning, you can become data scientist, computer vision engineer, and so on, and AI scientist. So on the left hand side is the skills, and on the right hand side is the job opportunity, and so on. So when to use machine learning and deep learning? Very easy. Deep learning is used when predictions are required. Predictions. Let's take an example. Now DMART is coming as DMART, and DMART is asking another problem now. DMART is telling, hey, take my 10-year-old data, learn from that data, sales pattern, and can you predict my next 1 year sale? So what is the problem of DMART? DMART is asking, take my old data, historical data, learn the pattern from that, and predict the future. Then machine learning, deep learning come into picture. But in that also, when to use machine learning and deep learning? Very simple. Whenever you are solving any project, and in that project, if the data is related to images, video, audio, text, then you are going to apply deep learning. Again, I am repeating, if you are doing any project, in that data is in the form of images, video, audio, text, you are applying deep learning. And now in deep learning, there are two divisions, computer vision and natural language processing. Computer vision, name itself indicate vision. We are giving vision to computer. Hey, see the real world. That means images and video. So any data related to images, video is computer vision. And natural language processing, we are giving ability to computer and the system to read, understand, interpret human languages. That is natural language processing, NLP product, text and audio. So anything related to text audio product is NLP, image video computer vision, Excel sheet prediction machine learning, and so on. Now I am teaching you within 2 minutes when to apply what process. Now please concentrate on my wording. If DMART is coming again, DMART is asking, I am repeating the same example. Hey, take my 10-year-old data and give me the information from that old data only. Don't do prediction and all. Just give me past data information. What we will apply? Is machine learning, deep learning needed in this example? No prediction needed. Just give me information of past data. So does machine learning, deep learning needed? Yes or no? Tell me. No. Very good. Sneha, I appreciate you. No. Only data analysis is needed. Always remember, only data analyst. If any project is there, those who need the analysis of past data, data analyst we can apply. Now, second example, DMART is coming and DMART is giving the project to us. Hey, take my past data in Excel sheet, learn the pattern from that, and can you please predict the future? Then what we will apply? Now prediction is coming, but data is in which form? Excel sheet. So what we will apply? Machine learning. Very good. Now tell me, DMART is coming and DMART is asking, hey, can you make the project for a face recognition for my customer at the entrance of DMART? Face recognition. What we will apply? In the deep learning also what? Computer vision or NLP? Computer vision, got it. Wonderful. Now, DMART is coming again. And DMART is asking, hey, can you make a chatbot for me? Chatbot. What we will apply? Chatbot. Deep learning, very good. But in deep learning, computer vision or NLP? NLP. Very good. You are giving the answer. You are a hero. Now tell me one information now. Those who are giving the answer right now in the chat window are all correct. But those who are giving the answer, do you know this thing before or only basis of my explanation you are giving the answer? That also very important. Please tell me. Right now on the basis of this explanation you are giving the answer or you are knowing this before? I give the clarity. Wonderful, Ayusha. What about other? Basis on my explanation, Sneha is giving the answer. Very good. So see, this is the beauty, guys. Now finally AI. Now what is the meaning of AI? Now concentrate. If the client is coming, DMART is coming, and DMART asking, hey, can you make the driverless car for me? Hey, can you make the Sophia robot for me? Hey, can you make the Alexa for me? So they are asking to make some intelligent machine. That is the meaning of AI. Now I am giving you the very layman term definition of AI. Concentrate carefully. What is AI? AI is having how many words, guys? Two words: artificial and intelligence. Break into two parts. One is artificial and one is intelligence. What is our duty inside the company, guys, as a AI scientist? We have to provide intelligence to the machine artificially. Okay, we have to provide intelligence to machine what? Artificially. Or in the other word, we have to create an intelligent machine which behave like human, act like human. So agenda is simple, clear. AI means nothing to create intelligent machine which behave like human. That is the agenda of AI. And to make that machine, you should know deep learning, machine learning, and data analysis. Is this clear? Because obviously you want to make intelligent machine can see real world image video, intelligent machine can listen, so it is NLP. So for learning or AI you should know deep learning and all, and making those application you should know deep learning and all. Okay, now let's go ahead. Once you know this part, so I will explain one simple project to you which you will give the answer finally, and it is wonderful. Now you tell me, let's imagine we are solving one project, diabetes. The project name is like this: prepare the mobile app for diabetes prediction using machine learning. What is our project name? Mobile app for diabetes prediction using machine learning. So tell me from this project, what is our product? This is the project name. Prepare the mobile app for diabetes prediction using machine learning. What is the product here, application here? Tell me. What client want from us? Very good app. Client want one mobile app. This is our product. And what that mobile app will do? What that mobile app will do? Prediction of diabetes. Wonderful. This is the project. So we are very clear. We need to create a mobile app that will predict the diabetes. Now let's me explain you this diagram. This is called as the end-to-end project we are doing inside the company with the help of these blocks. Now in this block diagram, there are three blocks: block A, block B, block C. Block A meaning is big data engineering. Block B meaning is data analytics and machine learning. Block C meaning is deployment. Now concentrate carefully on my wording. Now this is our project. Now first of all, you tell me our product is mobile app, that is good. But our major project is diabetes prediction. Mobile app is the application. So to predict the diabetes, we need diabetes patient data. Yes or no? We need data related to project. Yes or no? Tell me. So can you tell me from where we will get the diabetes patient data? From where we will get that? From where we will get the diabetes patient data? Any idea? From hospitals, from laboratories, and so on. Now please tell me, if I will ask any one of you, hey, go to the hospital with a very blazer, wear the blazer and all. We are looking handsome and beautiful, for example. If boys are going, they are looking handsome. Girls are going, they are looking beautiful. And you are going to Apollo Hospital. And in a very dashing style way, you are asking, hey, take the pen drive and give me diabetes patient data. Will they will give you data? they will call mental department and they will tell that one patient came and asking something. They will admit you in the hospital. Okay. Because we are asking unnecessary thing. No one will give you data. Okay. That's what, and we are giving our data free of cost. See the irony of the picture. We as an individual take my data and become billionaire. I am giving my data to Mark Zuckerberg via Instagram, Facebook, and become billionaire. I am giving my data to Bezos via Amazon and become billionaire and so on. We are giving our data free of cost. And once we need data, no one will give the data. So how to solve this issue? We are doing the tie-up with the hospital, legal tie-up. And then hospital will give the data of diabetes. Now concentrate on my wording carefully, guys. It is very important. So please concentrate here. The responsibility of collecting the data related to project, that is diabetes data, from the real world, that is our market, from the different sources, with the help of different tools inside our company, is a big data engineering team in the company. Again, I am repeating, the responsibility of collecting the data related to project from the different sources of the market with the help of different tools available inside our company is a big data engineering. And after collecting the data, they will store the data, maintenance, and the security of data. So finally, in the single liner, big data engineering team inside the company is having responsibility of collecting the data, storing the data, maintenance, and the security of the data. For that purpose, they are using the tool called as SQL, Hadoop, and Spark. This is big data engineering inside the company. And the tools now I am introducing, these are the weapon and the hathiyar big data engineering team is having. If you are having the knowledge of this tool, you can become a data engineer inside the company. And your duty will be collecting, storing, maintenance, and security. Once the diabetes data is collected, then that diabetes data is given to part number B of this diagram. Now in this part number B, the first team is data analytics team. Diabetes data came. Now this data analytics team will apply Python language knowledge, mathematics, and data visualization knowledge using Tableau and Power BI. So this team will clean the data. So data analytics fundamental responsibility is cleaning the data. They will clean the diabetes patient data and they will give that data to machine learning and deep learning team. As data is coming in the Excel sheet, we will apply machine learning algorithm, which is already made. Algorithm will learn from the diabetes data and output is the model. Now this model is used for prediction. And now this model we are giving to deployment team to convert into mobile app. Now output of part number C is a mobile app. Now see, this is the end-to-end project, right from collecting the data to the model deployment. So collecting the data, storing, maintenance, security, big data engineering team. Tools, SQL, Hadoop, Spark, Apache. Next team, data analyst team. Responsibilities cleaning the data. And the tools using is Python, mathematics, data visualization. Then next team is machine learning data scientist team. They will apply algorithm on that. Algorithm will learn and output is a model. And the tools for that machine learning, deep learning is algorithms knowledge and so on. And once the model is available as an output, then in the deployment team, they are converting the diabetes prediction model into mobile app. And the tools they are using as the cloud computing and so on. This is end-to-end process, guys. And to know this end-to-end process, finally, as I told you, we are following this ladder. Check it now. This is the skill set required in the company, tools, and so on. If you know that, you will be recruited in the company as that respective engineer. Now concentrate on this diagram. To become data analyst in the company, you should know Python, you should know data science packages, mathematics, and data visualization. You can become data analyst and your duty will be cleaning the data. To become that is data scientist, you should know machine learning algorithm and data analyst and so on. These are the machine learning algorithm. If you want one more session on machine learning, so I request organizer and the student, if you want more, I am ready to give one more session on machine learning algorithms, specifically for predictions. And if you want to become deep learning engineer, so you should know computer vision and NLP. And then finally, AI. Now here is the beauty, artificial intelligence. Now concentrate on my wording carefully. As I told you, AI meaning is that to create an intelligent machine, and we are giving intelligence to that machine, that is called as machine intelligence. And now we are expecting that machine intelligence should behave like human intelligence, like us. Now there is a comparison here. Machine intelligence comparison with human intelligence. So we came to know that machine intelligence are far good and ahead than us in many categories. What are those? Machine are faster in mathematical calculation. Machine are very good in memory capacity and so on. Yes or no? Can you remember 1,000 mobile number, guys? Can you remember 1,000 mobile number? This is our human intelligence. No, but machine can remember. Okay. We human can also remember 1,000 mobile number. For that purpose, lots of medication required. We have to become Baba. We have to go to Himalaya, do the yoga and become the meditation, and then I can remember 1 lakh mobile number. But no one is having that part now. Okay, we are busy in our day-to-day life and so on. But machine intelligence can beat us. Now, on the other hand, we human intelligence are far good and ahead than machine intelligence in many categories. For example, we are good in emotions. We are having the emotions. Machine is not having that. We can, what we can say, taste the food. Machine cannot do that. Okay, and so on. So at the end of the day, guys, in the final comparison, we human intelligence win the race. That means there is no machine currently available in the world whose intelligence can beat human intelligence. So that kind of machine intelligence is called as artificial narrow or weak intelligence. That means there are the three category of AI: artificial weak intelligence, artificial general and strong intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. Currently, we are in the phase of artificial weak intelligence, and that is the good sign for all of you. We are at the early stage of AI. That means there is no machine intelligence in the world. Either it is Google driverless car, Alexa, Sophia robot, ChatGPT, and so on, which can beat us, which can beat human intelligence. That kind of machine is called as artificial weak intelligence, guys. Okay, this is first. Now scientists are optimistic that one day will come where machine intelligence is equal to human intelligence. That kind of machine in the world is called as artificial general intelligence and strong intelligence. And again, scientists are optimistic that one day will come where machine intelligence will overtake human intelligence. That kind of intelligence is called as the artificial super intelligence. And you have watched Hollywood movies also, where robot overtook us, for example. So these are the three category of AI. Currently, our world is under artificial weak intelligence. Many company in future need a person like you, data scientist, data analyst, AI scientist, to create the AGI machines and so on. So this is the world, guys. So finally, when to use what? Use data analysis as a technology when you want past information from the data, information from the past data. You will use machine learning when you want to do prediction from structured data called Excel sheet and so on. You will use deep learning when your data is in the form of image, video, audio, text for the prediction and so on. You will use AI to create intelligent machine, robot, Alexa, drone, driverless car and so on. So I have taught you right now when to apply what is the duty of everything, what skill sets are required and so on. So finally, these are the tools used to make the machines. That tools are programming languages, data visualization tool called Tableau Power BI, libraries, and so on. We require mathematics knowledge also, and so on. So once we learn all this tool, we are ready to get a job in the company. And these are the tools in detail. These are the mathematics 4 chapter, not in detail. These are the 4 chapter of mathematics we needed, and that to school level mathematics, statistics, probability, linear algebra, and calculus. And now the beauty part in the world of AI is that if you don't want to learn data science and AI with programming, you are having the fear of programming. So you can become data analysis using without coding also. So that facilities are also available. So AI is giving facility in two part. If you want to become data scientist, coding is your interest, become. If you want to become data analysis, coding is not your interest, you can become. So this is the option. This is the beauty. And now these are entire skill set, 4-year engineering or BCA or MBA, arts, commerce. These are the skill set needed. Python language, I already told you Python. Maths, data visualization, machine learning, deep learning, cloud computing, data engineering. These are the skill set required. The moment you learn this skill set, you are ready to get a job like this. And just tell me, I have guided you. Data engineer responsibility is what, guys? Can you tell me? I have guided you. What is a data engineering responsibility? Waiting for the answer. I have guided in the diabetes prediction data flow. What is the responsibility of data engineering? Forgot? Responsibility of data engineer is that collection of the data, storage and maintenance and security. And to do that, data engineers are going to use a tool called SQL, Hadoop, Spark, Apache. What is the duty of data analyst? What is the duty of data analyst? Cleaning of the data. Very good. For that purpose, they will use the tool called Python, data visualization, mathematics, and so on. What is the duty of machine learning scientist? To apply algorithm on the data, not visualization, algorithm on the data. And what is the duty of data scientist? To create such a model, business model from where client can do the business. So data scientist is having the knowledge of all these three. So data scientist is higher position and so on. So these are the different job role, guys, and responsibility of that. And these are the again different job role. Data scientist, computer vision engineer, images and video, natural language processing engineer, text and audio, data analyst, data architect, business analyst, those who are from MBA and BBA background. Majority of students are getting the designation as business analyst, HR analyst, finance analyst, risk analyst, and so on. Data administrator you can become. Nowadays, new designation is coming. Law student, AI law ethical engineer, or AI advocate. This is the designation, AI advocate, and so on. So these are the different designations companies are offering and so on. So this is the process, guys. And finally, once you recruited in the company, you people are going to make the application in the field of AI in industry called as social media, automobile, healthcare, agricultural, and n number of industry. And to make this application, you want the data. That's it. So this is the world of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. And in a very simple term, I have introduced this term to you, and I have guided you when to use what tools needed, what skill set needed, what kind of job opportunities, and so on. So that's all from my side, guys. And now I'm open for the doubt solving session. Now, please let me know what kind of different doubts you people are having so that I can address your doubt in a very layman term. Thank you very much. Please ask me the doubt now. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Now I'm open for the doubt solving. This PPT I cannot give because this is my company proprietary data privacy rule. But I can share the data if you want. PPT cannot be shared. Now ask the doubt. You are from which background, what you want to become in future, what is your engineering background, what is your education background, and any doubt. I'm not a robot means nowadays robots are learning the pattern from us. If they will learn that pattern, so they can actually take entire data from us and data or account detail also, money also, and so on. So to stop the robot, we are doing that activity, Amu. What is semi-supervised learning in ML? Semi-supervised means combination of machine learning. Semi-supervised means combination of supervised learning and unsupervised learning. That is called as semi-supervised learning. Thank you, Prashanti, that you are telling me my way of explanation is good. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the session and you got many information from our session today. Thank you, Dipti. for your advice and for your appreciation, compliment. I hope you enjoyed, and tell me that have you learned something new in this today's session? Have you learned something new? Someone is asking that you did BTech in CSE and currently pursuing MBA. Which job role would you suggest me? So you go for job role of a techno manager, Pranav. Techno manager. Job role of techno manager will be more suited to you. There are many, but techno manager you can become very easily. What about others? What doubt you people are having? Ask me. There are so many resources, Prashanti, flood of information in the internet, but you can contact Learn Square also. Okay. They will guide you that we are going to launch the courses soon on the different vertical courses on data analytics, courses on machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and so on. If you want to connect with my LinkedIn guys, so let me show you that as well. Okay. You will get the regular update from my LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile. If you want to contact me for the further assistance, obviously, I will happy to guide you how to learn AI. This is my LinkedIn profile. I'm guiding across the world, guys. Across the world. Okay, this is that. So someone is asking the doubt. You are in first year electrical engineering and you are interested in learning AI. Can you use in the do? Yes, obviously I given the answer. Many projects we are doing in electrical engineering, power optimization, okay, predicting the fault detection and so on. So Sheikh, we are doing n number of project in the electrical domain. Okay, that's what I said. Data science is applicable in all engineering. Same thing. Someone is asking, you are a front-end developer and had interest in AI. What to do, master? Should I go ahead in field of AI? Obviously, don't leave the current job, but upgrade in the field of AI because future is AI only. Okay, don't leave the job, but upgrade parallelly on weekend programs. Is this enough? No, Anil Kumar, you need to learn a lot. Python, you need to learn it. Then you need to learn for loop, while loop, function in detail, and so on. Should you pursue advanced diploma in AIML or minor in the college? I don't know the detail of your minor, Sheikh, but yes, I am recommending you to do the AI courses. How you will do it? You can ask, learn technology also, and so on. Any courses on quantum computing is coming nowadays. It is not yet come fully. Quantum computing is in process to make the entire computational faster. They are going to use quantum computing. Generative AI. I am the researcher in generative AI only, Vaishnavi. Let me show you something. Can you people tell me who is this? Tell me who is this? Generative AI. So one lady, guys, but can you please tell me this is the real or fake? I am surrendering myself. I am working in the AI from 12 years, but I am unable to check that this is fake image. I am telling that this is real image. Because from any angle, I don't see this is a fake image. Can you see any angle? I am seeing it is like a real image only. This is the power of generative AI. So meaning itself indicate generative AI means generate the data which look like real. That's what generative AI. Generate the data with the help of AI which look like real data. That is generative AI. Either you generate image, video, audio, text, but it should look like real. That is the objective of generative AI. And I'm doing so many projects in the field of generative AI. I'm a research scientist in generative AI only. You want to see my LinkedIn profile again? So this is my LinkedIn profile. If you people want to connect, I will share my link in the chat window. I will guide you. Don't worry. So in the chat window, my LinkedIn profile is there. So you people please contact Learn Square Technology, okay, for the further update. Soon they are launching the wonderful skilled enhancement courses in the spectrum of data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and so on, because there is a heavy need of this technology inside the company. Yes, yes. Prompt engineer is good, Anil Kumar, but as a data scientist, you should know what is happening behind the scene also. Okay, if you are preparing biryani, I can ready-madely eat biryani, but how biryani has been prepared, what ingredients has been added, so that this taste is coming, you should know that knowledge as a AI scientist. So prompt engineer also good job, but they should know in detail. You are a final year student in CSE. I don't know what the next plan, what area. If you want to start from scratch, so all of you please follow this diagram. Learn the courses step by step by following this diagram. This is that diagram. If you are very fresher in the world of I would like to recommend you learn data analyst course first using Python. Okay, using Python. After that, learn machine learning step by step and deep learning and then AI. So if any course you are finding where directly up to AI via this ladder anyone is teaching, so we have to join that. I guess we are only launching soon, don't worry. So this is the step-by-step process to learn the courses and upskill yourself. Machine learning differ from traditional programming in two ways. In the traditional programming, you will give input and you will give something and output is there. But in machine learning, you will give input and output and you are getting the final prediction from that. You are giving the data actually in machine learning and deep learning. And there are so many diagrams here. That means, yes, I can teach different AI tools also, Deepti, how to make PPT within 2 minutes, videos using 2 minutes, and animation using 2 minutes, website using 2 minutes, and so on. Different AI tools I can teach. That is different courses. That course is called as AI tools for increasing the work productivity. I am teaching that also parallelly. Okay, this is that part. So the thing is, let me show you that. We are teaching that also. That means learn technology will come up with that webinar and seminar on that also. Okay, so we are teaching that courses as well. This one, AI powered tool. With the help of AI powered tool, how can get the work done with the faster way. Can you suggest any project topics for third year using AI? You can learn computer vision or natural language processing. That project you can do. And a third year, computer vision or natural language processing. Thank you, Jala Sutaram, for your compliment. Thank you. Ethical concerns are there. Ayush, world is working on that. Ethical concern associated with are the AI. For example, if I will ask ChatGPT how to kill someone, and ChatGPT is giving me the answer, so that is ethical concern. ChatGPT should not give the answer for that. Actually, if not giving the answer, so ChatGPT is the good product. And there are so many part ethical concerns are there. If I am making one robot who is killing other person, so is that good AI product? So ethical concern will be raised. Okay, so we should make certain AI product which is used for betterment of humanity. I use that is the ethical part of AI. No, it is easy, Dipti. Understanding machine learning and deep learning algorithm is easy. You require time and patience. If you want to become data scientist in 2 days, will you become in 2 days? No, obviously we need time. I am a PhD in AI, guys. I took 5 years to understand this entire technology in the deeper way. That's what if you are asking me any question, I am able to give the answer of that. Why? Because entire knowledge is here. And if suppose if I am learning data scientist within 1 month, so how it is possible? It is not mandatory, Anil. There are so many other languages for data scientists, MATLAB, R, Golang, and so on. But Python is one of the most famous language and easy to learn. And now in the market, 80% of the industries are using Python for a data science role. Right now, no. To make the AGI, still it is take the far time. There is no time requirement right now, but to make the AGI, it is still very far. Okay. because they have been trained in the positive way. AI is giving the answer in positive way. I don't think so. AI is giving the answer in positive. Many times it will give the answer in negative way also. Yes, Prashanti. Python is a very easy language and that can be learned within very small amount of time. That means uh, 15 hours to 20 hours is required to learn Python for machine learning. 15 to 20 hours. Yes, AI is using the stock market prediction and so on. Stock market prediction we are doing with the help of data science. Obviously, it is used in stock market. Shake. Obviously, it is using already using. Search in Google. Stock market prediction. Check it. Stock market prediction using machine learning. So obviously, already it is used. Check it. Prashanti, for Python for machine learning, 15 to 20 hours is needed to learn Python for machine learning. Okay. There are so many websites, but personally, I am following Machine Learning Mastery Anil. Machine Learning Mastery for that. Because of the advancement of GPU processor, okay, VLSI technology, guys, okay. MBA students, MBA student will get the job as business analyst, financial analyst, risk analyst, data analyst in the company. And so many MBA students are getting. I know so many in my contact only. They are MBA in background and they are getting the job role without any coding. They are getting the job role as a business analyst, data analyst, risk, financial analyst, and other. Any other doubt? There are so many flood of information in the internet, but yes, you can refer machine learning mastery. BCom students are also getting the job of data analyst, business analyst, and so on. Currently, there is a demand of generative AI, but if you want to learn generative AI, you want to learn AI. So everything is circle. You cannot learn directly generative AI. If you want to learn generative AI from technical point of view, this ladder you have to follow anyhow. Python topics, data types, for loop, while loop, functions, accessing the files. Okay. These are the topics you should know to become the data scientist in Python. Machine Learning Mastery is the website name, Dipti. Any other information you need, please let me know. In 4 years, almost everyone will be running towards prompt engineering. In your opinion, which skills other than prompt engineering and AI ML course knowledge will be an edge to design the LLM applications? Sheikh. To design the LLM application, customize LLM application for the company is the very demanding skills currently in the market. Prompt engineering, those people will learn, those who are not having technical knowledge. They just see mobile. I am using the mobile, but how the signals are passing behind the scene. Are you knowing that? No. So this is prompt engineering. I am just using the mobile and get my work done. Same thing in future, people are going to use the AI tools, just asking the question to the AI tools and getting the output. That is prompt engineering, asking the question. But technically inside that, how that AI tool is working, that knowledge is if you want. So you want to learn AI and generative AI. Thank you, Dipti. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my session. Yes, we are using the chat GPT with prompting only. The way you are asking the question to chat GPT, it is giving the answer. That is prompting only. Are you getting, guys? So tell me, AI is easy or not on the basis of my explanation. If you are taking your time to learn that, obviously it is easy. If I will be there, that is guarantee, guys. That I'm telling you the guarantee. If you people and me are kidnapped and has been put in one computer lab for 1 and 2 months, and every day 8 hours, if I am there to teach you, after 1.5 months you will be perfect data analyst, and after 2 months data scientist, also not perfect, but still you are learning on that part, but you will be getting the job 100%, because whatever the vast knowledge I am having, I am giving in the lesser amount of time. Whatever information I am providing to you people, I am saving your time. That you should have the inner will, Prashanti, that you have to do that. That power we are not having. Okay. We are here to guide you in a very simple way. We will teach you in the very simple way, and so on. Inner confidence you need to bring, obviously. If you are having inner confidence, you can win the gold medal in Olympic also. Yes, AI is easy, guys. Who told you it is hard? I don't know who is telling you that. If it is hard, it is not at all hard. If you will follow this guidance, if you will follow everything step by step, AI is very easy technology. You are looking more session from my side. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, that's what I'm invited by so many other companies, guys. That's what I'm telling you, that I am guiding in the very easy way. That's what my duty is, that teaching the hard concept in the easy way. Then only you will become good scientist, yes or no? Who don't want to become scientist? Tell me. If you will become scientist, your parent will feel proud, guys. Yes or no? So become a scientist. Nowadays, becoming scientist is easy. Learn data science and machine learning and so on. Sheikh, that you need to contact learn technology, contact Gopi if you want to attend more session after this 3 session. Okay. And if you want more session, participant are responding, looking forward my more sessions. Sure, sure. We will organize more session. Don't worry about that. Thank you, Pooja, for your kind word. Thank you very much. Obviously, yeah, I hope that my session is going to help to take some decision. Actually, this is a eye opener session, and I tried my level best to introduce all the technology word in the easy way, what that technology is useful for, and for what purpose we are using, what are the skill set, and so on. So thank you very much, guys. I guess that we have already crossed our time of 8:30. So be in touch. Okay, contact contact Learn Square Technologies for more detail. You will get so many upcoming sessions from me also. If you are interested, I am ready to give the session on generative AI. I am ready to give the session special on data analytics. Now we will come session wise process. Okay, and then computer vision if you want, and so on. I am ready. Okay, so let's meet again next time if our path crosses. And again, I will give you so much value addition to your knowledge. Thank you very much. Okay, if any
Uh,
more question, let me know.
yeah, Arpit sir, thank you very much. That was a wonderful session. Students, do you agree with me? Okay. Mostly you must be knowing that we have lined up sessions this week. Followed with this, we have something on 19th, the Friday, as well as 20th on Sunday. And as Arpit sir was also confirming that we would plan other sessions in nearby future, and we are also planning to have some programs also which would lead you to excel in the technologies whatever we were discussing every time. Either it can be AI, it can be a data science, it can be a full stack. All these details would be been shared with you on our regular WhatsApp channel. So see that you everybody along with your friends are a part of our channel, and you can able to attend all these sessions, be a part of the speakers who are being invited across from the country, sharing their experiences, sharing their whatever the industry they are in from. So hope this session has helped you a lot, and see you all again on Friday for other session at 7 o'clock. So get in touch with us, tune in with our channel, and anything as you've been getting messages, and we've been sharing our regular contact number, you can able to share with us any queries or any other information you wanted to discuss with us. Okay, thank you and good night.